Welcome to my channel, The Proper Guidance. Today we will learn about list and tuple. Program number 12, and the program is given like that. Find the largest or smallest number in a list or tuple. Now, in our previous class we have done the programs on largest or smallest number, right? And we used their max-min method used in Python. Here also we use that one, max-min method, along with how to implement the list and append elements in list. This is the new thing we will learn today. Okay, so let's start. See, list in, this is a variable for list or tuple, list in, and it shows you that it will take some values here. And this is another variable num, and this is for user input. Int input, enter number of elements in list, and user will give the number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever may be the value. And after that there is a for loop, and for loop looks like that: I in range 1 comma num plus 1, 1 comma num plus 1. Suppose enter number of elements 5. I have given 5 as an input. Then this for loop ranging from 1 to num plus 1, that is from 1 to 6. And in the range we always know one thing, that the first element will be included and the last element will be excluded for loop used in Python. This is the syntax and it works like that, followed by colon. This is very important symbol. Without giving that one, for loop will not work. That may occur syntax error. Okay, so for I in range, this one, we take another element, and another element like another variable named as element, and what it does here, it will take input, enter elements, and after that list in dot append element. Append, this is also a inbuilt method used in Python programming language to append elements in a list. Clear? So this is the new thing we are doing here today. VVI, this line is very important. For what? List in, the variable for list I have taken here that it followed by a dot, and we are implementing the inbuilt method append and passing this variable element here. The element will be here, whatever you have given the integer value, the number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever may be the value user is given here. So append this one. After that print smallest element in list is min of list in. This variable, and this is the list or tuple. After appending all the elements, then the min method will be applied there, and it will give you the list element, means the smallest element in that particular list, and it will print here. And same thing for largest element also, for maximum value for the list here, and that is the max method. Max method and min method we have already discussed in the previous program. Those who are new to my class, please go through those programs, it will be helpful for you. And here is the program to find the largest and smallest number in a list or tuple. So please note down it. And one thing is that the output, here is a space problem, not an issue, I am writing here the output of this program. See, the first line, enter number of elements, enter number of elements. This is in a single line in list. I have given 5 for I in range. For I in range, the range will be what? 1, 5 plus 1, num plus 1 means 6. Okay, from 1 to 6 the elements will be taken here. Okay, element will be taken here. Element equals to int input This line will be executed and it will display what? It will display, one thing is here. First you just write down the output, then I will go for the dry run. Output will be enter number of elements in list, then enter elements. Enter elements. 11, number 1. Next, enter elements. 2, enter elements. 1. How many times? The enter number of elements in list is 5. From starting from what? 1, and num plus 1 is the range. 1 to 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements will be taken in the list. So, enter elements 100. Enter elements 23, suppose. So, 5 statements will be there and it will show you. And after that, this is appended where? In the list. In the list, after that, it will display what? Smallest element. Smallest element is what? 1. And largest element in list. Sorry, I have not written here. In list, largest element is 100. Okay, this is the entire output you will get when you are executing this particular program. Now, how it works, what I am telling there, that list in num, int number elements is taken. In num, the value will be taken 5. After that, this loop will work. I in range what? 1 to 5 plus 1. That is 5 plus 1 equals to 6. 5 times it will take the input. Element is taken like this one. And those elements 11, 2, all these things will work in what? Append in the list n. So, list n will give you, what is the result here? 11, first element, second element 2, then the third one 1, fourth one 100 and fifth one 23. This is the user input list. Okay, this will not show you. I am not displaying that in particular output section. It will works like that. Okay, this is the dry run section. So list n will take the user input like this one. After that, when we are going to this method calling min and max, when we opt for min list n, it will give you what? Give you the smallest number. Here in the list, the smallest number is 1, and as well as for max method also, we will get what? We will get the maximum number. Here in the list 11 to 100, this is the 100, and it will print this. This section is dry run section. Okay, so the program will work like this. This is the way of executing the program in the computer. Okay, and this is the logic here. So what is the new thing we are learning here today? That is taking a list as a variable, and after that we have taken elements in that particular list and append it in the list. Okay, appending is important. This is an inbuilt method, and these are min method and max method. For today's lesson, this is a revision section, right? We have done already previously. We have done this one, max and min for greatest and smallest numbers, right? For comparing into integers. So this is our program number 12 is completed. Please go through and note down this program properly. If there is any problem, please feel free to ask me. I will obviously clarify all your doubts. So next day we will meet with another program. So till then, take care and thank you for watching.